Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about networking, and some of what we're going to talk about here, you're going to hear a little different from maybe you might have heard in some of the other freelance writing courses. But as you determine what specialty you're going to focus in, that's going to be very important because that's going to help you to network in a way that's going to get you business. Now, you can definitely and you should have associations with other writers, okay, of course, but you should also have associations with people who are going to be the folks who are willing to write you checks and send you electronic funds in order to pay you for your content. And then the way that you do that is you're going to find places online where these people are going to be hanging out. Now, we've talked about weight loss, so one of the things that you're going to want to do is to find out where all the weight loss forums are. And as you begin to find some of the more popular weight loss forums, one of the things that you can do right away is to join the forum, because what you're looking for is the ability to participate in conversations, to ask questions, and to really make yourself a more relevant and credible writer in that particular niche. Now, when you join a forum, sometimes they're wary of people who are trying to spam their forum. So you're not becoming part of a forum. And we'll just pick one here, diet and weight loss forums. You're not becoming part of a forum so that you can spam them. You're becoming part of a forum so you can participate in the discussion, so that you can learn from some of the people and their experiences. And then also you're going to be able then to make yourself available to people who are creating content, and people who have websites, and people who are really in the field, so to speak. Okay, that's definitely one thing. Now, the other thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to join a website called Writers Market. Writers Market is one of the places that you can get a free newsletter, and that's pretty much how you're going to want to sign up for them. Now, you'll have to decide whether or not you want to become part of their purchase edition. I would suggest that you just kind of watch and see what happens at Writers Market, so that you'll know whether or not you're going to become part of their group or their mailing list. And basically, Writers Market really is a place where other writers get together and talk. They network. They provide opportunities to each other. So it's a participatory community of writers. Okay, so again, with networking, you're going to want to network in some cases with the people in your niche. In other cases, you're going to want to network with people who are like yourself. But if you have to spend the bulk of your time networking, you want to spend the bulk of your time networking with people in your niche. Now, one thing we're going to talk about later is guest blogging in particular. But one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find out what are the top blogs, and you can just put top blogs in whatever your category is. So we're just going to type in weight loss. What are the top blogs in weight loss? Now, there are the top 10 blogs for healthy weight loss. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to contact each and every one of these folks, find out what they're doing, and to find out if there's some way that we can collaborate with them, or if there's something that we can do that might be mutually beneficial to the two parties. But again, you're basically reaching out to people who are already involved. You're not in competition with them. What you're really doing, remember, there's enough space and enough needs for content that you're not in competition with each other. So to cooperate with other folks who are involved in, let's say, whatever your niche is a good thing, not a bad thing. You have to look at this differently now if you're going to be a freelance writer using the internet. So with that, I say thanks, and I will see you in the next video.